Guys, we're now here in the mountainous part of Aurora Boulevard. Aurora. I'm not sure where we are, but we're having a stopover to stop. Okay? Mahal, hi ka po.
Okay, alright. Peace, yo.
Our very handsome driver and my son is very, I don't know where he is. And we're gonna move on to the next mountain. Bye! Hi everyone! We are now at our second stop. We just stopped because there's a river. It's a very clear river. It's like clearer than your conscience. Look! And we're still here at the mountain of Nueva Ecija / Aurora Boulevard. A road. Look. Yeah! What? Hindi pa tayo magsiswimming. See you later! Oh, you're there! Hi, we're having our third stop. Still here at the mountainous part of Norzagaray, Aurora Road. Ay, ano ba? Norzagaray. Nueva Ecija pala. I'm sorry. My bad. Anyway, I'm only human. Anyway, we're just an hour away from our destination. I'm getting so excited. You know, Kurt, come here. Okay, if you could see, if you could notice, no one is passing by. You know what? You know what? Because this is a very rough road. It was like 2-hour bitukang manok road like thingy. Okay, so yep. Anyway, see you later. Hi there, guys. Finally, we're here in Baler, province of Aurora, Philippines. Yes. And look how strong the waves are. Look at my son. And look at my husband. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy the beach right now. So, bye! Hi there, guys. We're passing by on the hanging bridge of Baler, Aurora, and my son is a bit scared because this is his first hanging bridge experience. Yes? And he's not even enjoying his food. Anyway, we'll see you later. Bye! Hi guys! We are now at the Mother Falls. If you can see there, did you see the word mother? Look, did you see? Me too, I can't see it, but this is what they call the Mother Falls, and it was like a 45-minute trekking. And I really can't believe my son is here with us right now. Anyway, we'll just enjoy our stay for a couple more minutes, then we'll head back. Bye!